Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to check whether your PC meets the requirements for upgrading from Windows 10 to 11. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do to subscribe and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So Microsoft just launched Windows 11 back in June 2021, and you can upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 for free as long as your PC meets the requirements for upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So these are the requirements right here. You may not know how to check all these requirements on your PC. So I'm going to show you how to see if your PC meets the requirements easy and quick with the help of a tool known as Why Not Win 11. So to get the tool on your PC, you are going to go over to your browser and then you are going to search for whynotwin11.org. So when the site is open, you are going to scroll down and then you are going to see how the tool looks like. So when you scroll down a bit more, you are going to see the download button right here. So you are going to hit on it. So immediately you hit on this, the download is going to kick off. So when your download is going, you're going to navigate to your file explorer, and then on the download folder, you are going to see the exe file right here, Why Not Win 11 exe file, and then you are going to click on it. So immediately you click on this, the tool is going to launch and then it's going to automatically scan through your PC and then it's going to show you the compatibility results. So if your PC does not meet the requirements, you are going to get this little message right here that says your computer is not ready for Windows 11. So if you're able to get all the green checks right here, that means you are good to go. You can upgrade to a Windows 11. But if you are not able and you get some red and greens, like I have right here, does this mean that you need to go purchase a PC that comes with Windows 11? Not really. Microsoft has promised that they will continue to support Windows 10 through October 2025, so you can still be getting frequent system updates until then. So if you don't have money to purchase a new PC right now, you have enough time to save up just like me. So that's why I need your support on this channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.